Compulsive Sim Devlog, 14 December 2023. My bolt, cycle, and reload signals were giving me issues. Each process is made up of a series of steps, and when each step is finished, it puts out a signal and another part of the code knows to listen for that signal. I got the signals worked out now. Now the mag reloads and bolt cycles properly. Likewise, I got the reload lockout working right. Now it stops listening to the player pressing the reload key or input during the reload animation. I got to work on reload animations again. These look really static, but I'm happy with where they are right now. Anything more complex is stretching my brain past what I'm willing to do right now. After finishing up the animations after the beginning of today, December 15th, I got to work adding bullet physics. Bullets imparting force on the things they hit. When the bullet collides with something, it will now check for a rigid body or a physics object on the object that it collides with, and if there is a rigid body, it will impart force. Very basic player inputs are now implemented. This cube spawning button and subsequent physics mess have been the most fun part of the game so far. It's really satisfying to have a genuine spark of excitement and finding fun in the game I'm making.